Hey everyone, this is Sean with Peep Tactical. Today we're taking a look at the GX4 TORO from Taurus. Now we're doing a field strip and reassembly. First thing we're going to do is press the magazine release and remove the magazine. Next, we'll make sure that the chamber is empty by pulling back on the slide. Once that's established, point the gun in a safe direction and pull the trigger. From here, you're going to need a screwdriver and simply insert the screwdriver and turn it until you feel the slide move forward. From here, pull the slide off, set the frame to the side, push down on the spring and compress it, and then pull it out from the slide. Push down on the top of the barrel and wiggle it back and forth until it clears the slide. This has been the takedown. Let's reassemble. Starting with the slide, we're going to reinsert the barrel with the lug down. Pull it back until it locks into place. Put the spring back in the slide and compress it and push down until it seats on the lug. Now, we need to line up the rails with the slots on the slide. Pull all the way back, and your final step is going to be coming back in with the screwdriver and rotating back forward. With this complete, you can pull back on the slide, make sure everything's functioning fine. We'll press the trigger, hold it down, pull back on the slide and release it, and then slowly release the trigger to find trigger reset. Press the trigger again. Final test, reinsert the magazine, pull back on the slide to have last round hold open. This gun is functioning fine. This has been the field strip and reassembly of the Taurus GX4 TORO. For more information on guns like this, head over to pewpewtactical.com, your definitive source for gun reviews, gear guides, and all things that go bang.